welcome back to SETC. Today we have 4 Monster High surprise cups. So let's start with our Claudine Wolf cup. And here we find a Claudine Wolf Mega Bloks figure. We also find a My Little Pony blind bag, and this is from wave 15. Let's see who we find. Cool! We got Sapphire Shores. She collects seashells. Whoa, she is super pretty. We also find a Series 2 Mega Bloks Monster High figure. Whoa, these are awesome. So we have Operetta. Let's take her out. Oh, she is so cool. Next, we'll move on to our Laguna Blue cup. Awesome! In here we found a Laguna Mega Bloks figure. They're very poseable. We also find a Puppy in My Pocket blind bag, and this is from Series 2. Let's see who's inside. Oh, how cute! So we found Ricky. Oh, Ricky is super adorable. And he is a smooth collie. We also found another Series 2 Mega Bloks figure, and this is Twyla. Let's take a closer look. Whoa, how awesome does Twyla look? I love the detailing on her legs. Her face is super pretty. Whoa, these are just awesome. Next we have a Draculaura cup. And in here we find Venus McFlytrap. Whoa, look at all that pink hair. She is so cool. We also find a Kid Robot Yummy Keycaps blind bag. Now these are so awesome. Let's see which one we find. Oh, cool! So we got this one. That is so adorable. So I think this one is a donut. Look at those yummy sprinkles. Awesome! Oh, cool! We also find a Draculaura Series 2 Mega Bloks figure. Cool, let's take her out. Draculaura looks so awesome. I love her pigtails, and her dress is just so cool. Let us know in the comments box below who your favourite ghoul is. And finally we have our Frankie Stein surprise cup. In here we find a Frankie figure, a Super Mario dog tag blind bag. Awesome! Let's see who's inside. So we have a sticker, a foil trading card, and we have Ludwig von Cooper. And our dog tag is the gold Luigi. Awesome! Whoa, look how cool Luigi looks. Do you like Super Mario Brothers? Give us a big thumbs up if you do. And our final surprise is another Series 2 Monster High Mega Bloks figure. And this time we have Cleo Denial. Awesome! Let's take her out. Oh, these are just so awesome. Look at all the detailing on her. I really do love these Monster High Mega Bloks figures. Let us know what you think of them in the comments below. And there we have all of our surprises out of our Monster High surprise cups. Give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and pop a comment below letting us know which of these surprises was your favourite today. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all of our new videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.